At our school, we have a lot of different clubs, art club, soccer. I thought we should really have a coding club, and all kids were really interested in that type of thing, but there was nothing. I found Dot and Dash and the Wonder League, and I said the kids would love to do that. Wonder Workshop has taken a very complicated field, coding and robotics, and brought it down to the level of kids with engaging robots. It was very easy to set up the club. You just download Wonder app from the iTunes store. All the directions very, very clear. The app assigned activities to Dot and Dash and actually teaches the children.
It was just like coding, math, and science all combined into one. It makes me want to do more things with technology.
The kids just loved it, and when you have engaged children, you have kids that run to school.
When he joined the robotics club, he was determined to wake up early and get to school early.
And then Wonder Workshop set up the Wonder League competition where kids could compete with 1,000 teams in New Mexico, Florida, California. And that was really incredible because it made us part of a community. We had to finish 6 missions. The kids really had to work together. They had to figure out what each other's strengths were.
My favorite part was the programming and the teamwork that it required.
We just threw everything we knew into the videos and into the coding and really had fun with it. It was a great team effort. There may be some children that are really, really good at computer programming, and they find out through a club like this. We have one that was very soft-spoken, and we ended up getting him a microphone so that he could be heard over everybody else.
I can see that gave him a lot of confidence. He's found something that he knows he's good at and he can help others with.
And the whole school really got behind the team. When they won, it was the validation that you not only did it, you did it really, really well. Coding, I think, is the future for the kids, and this would give them what they need to be successful. That's why it's such an amazing thing to try at your school.